Hi, this is Mark with the American Medical Extended Reality Association. I'm here at Augmented World Expo 2026 doing some booth tours. Some pretty interesting stuff so far. I'm here actually with Carlos over at Enovis, and the solution's called ARVIS. So tell me more about what you guys built.
Of course. So ARVIS is a surgical navigation system. It's essentially done for surgeons who want to perform total arthroplasty. So essentially shoulder, hip, and knee. Surgeon wants to remove the joint and put metals on them. That's important for them, but also the actual location and position of those implants, it's important for them. So they can precisely place those implants with the help of ARVIS. And that's what ARVIS does. So a surgical navigation headset in the form factor of an augmented reality headset. So
Well, that's really, really cool. So do you have a demo? Like, how does this work? So
Yep.
you're using bird bath, it looks like. Is that right?
Essentially, yeah. So we have different sensors on this device.
Yeah.
We have essentially a bird bath display, which it's essentially
see.
communicating
Yep.
the information to the surgeon. You can see what I'm seeing in that monitor right there.
Yeah.
We have tracking cameras as well. Those tracking cameras are essentially tracking the 3D pose of surgical instrumentation. So essentially the patterns that you can see on this instrument, that's what they're detecting. We got our own floodlights just for proper illumination, and obviously speakers and microphones as well. So essentially what we're trying to achieve here is execute a plan that a surgeon has essentially planned before the surgery intraoperatively. So to be able to achieve that, we need to register certain points in the actual bone structure. This is representing a shoulder joint. So this is essentially humerus, mimicking your actual arm, and then this is scapula. So that's what the surgeon will expose, and essentially registering multiple points in the anatomy to be able to insert the trajectory, so the position and angulation of the implant.
Oh, interesting.
Precisely.
So it's basically like a lane assist for like putting in implants using like AR guide. Very, very cool.
It's essentially
cool.
GPS for the
GPS for the surgeon.
Yeah.
Really cool. So where is ARVIS at this point? Is it purchasable, or is it still in development? Or
Yep. So it's already in the field. It's being clinically proven. We have right now shoulder released commercially in the entire U.S., Australia, South Africa as well, and then we also have knee workflows. So replacing the entire joint of the knee, and also for hip. So we have all those available clinically that can be performed.
Really cool. And where can people learn more about ARVIS?
So you can go into enovis.com and then just look for specifically the ARVIS product line, and you can get to know more in that sense.
Excellent. Well, thank you, Carlos.
Yeah, no
all right. See ya.